Hi, this is how you factory restore the JBL Live 680NC headphones to their original settings, making them forget any sound profiles and Bluetooth connections. A factory reset is also a good thing to do if the headphones are malfunctioning in any way to try and clear the problem. There are two main ways to factory reset the Live 680NC. One is through the JBL Headphones app, where you can select the third tab called Other, followed by Support, and then reset to factory settings. If you though don't want to bother with opening an app and connecting the headphones to your phone, or if you can't for whatever reason, an even simpler way to reset the headphones is using the buttons on the actual headphones themselves. Here, first make sure that the headphones has got some power in them and that they are turned on. Then press and hold the volume down button and the ANC button for about 5 seconds. The headphones then here turn themselves off and then back on. When they start back up, they are now factory resetted and then automatically starts in pairing mode, ready to be connected to a new device. And that is about that. Thank you for watching. Bye.